But let's say you want to put in a trend line, for example. What you would do is click on the line tool up here, and these are all of the different lines that you can add. And again, a lot of these are advanced, but for a basic trend line, we're going to click here on that. And now you can start adding these drawings to your chart. Now, I am not anybody who is considered an expert or even an amateur in technical stock analysis. It's not something that I do. I know some of the basics, but don't look at this as any kind of trading advice or anything like that. Watch a full video on technical stock analysis. We're going to click here to add the beginning of our trend line, and then let's just say we're going to move it all the way over to here and see where we have a couple of points of contact. So let's say we're going to put the trend line right about there. If you double click now, we have our trend line that we've added. So for example, we're seeing that Netflix stock has bounced here off that trend line a couple of times and seems to be continuing on a trend somewhere around this. Now what's cool is once you add a trend line, you can do the same double finger zoom in and zoom out and look at a tighter view or a zoomed out view. And then the other thing I want to show you here as well is how to add indicators. Once you're done with the drawings, you should click on done here to close that out.